Hello everyone, today I will show you the process that you have to follow in order to connect your ScanAvenger scanner with your phone through Bluetooth. So in the scanner's box you will find this plastic card that has both Bluetooth and dongle connection troubleshooting. So you'll first of all have to scan these two barcodes, and what's very important when doing this, cover with your finger one of the barcode and then simply switch through them. So I will scan these two barcodes right now. And once I do this, the blue light from the back of the scanner will start flickering. So this means that the device is not paired with any phone. So I will then go into Bluetooth connections on my phone, turn the Bluetooth on, and under other devices, I will find ScanAvenger HID. I will simply have to click on it, wait for the devices to pair, and once this is done, the light from the back of the scanner will turn into a solid blue, and under my devices I now have ScanAvenger HID, and this is showing now as connected. So that would be all. The devices are now paired and will work together. Thank you very much for watching.